That strong cold front Amy just mentioned in that package there will be passing through our area today. So winds are going to pick up through the day today, and it's going to get gusty too. Today is a weather impact day, and the main reason for that are those strong wind gusts. Mountains and foothills could have some gusts up to 50 or 60 miles per hour. For the Triad, we could be looking at some 40-mile-per-hour gusts, and that'll also increase our risk for fires as well. So you see the cold front in East Tennessee right now. A band of showers starting to approach western North Carolina in the high country. Boone, West Jefferson starting to see some rain right now. Galax, Sparta, Wilkesboro will be up next. This batch of showers should weaken somewhat by the time it comes across the mountains and gets down here into the Piedmont. But here in the Triad, we do have a small rain chance this morning as the cold front approaches. I think the bigger impact will be fog and low clouds. As Kara mentioned, there's still some mist and drizzle out there. Visibility is reduced over a good chunk of the Piedmont, so keep that in mind. Give yourself plenty of time if you're headed out early on this Monday morning. Temperatures are starting in the 40s and low 50s, which is actually pretty mild for us as far as mornings go here in late December. This will actually be the warmest time of day. Let me show you how this plays out on our hour-by-hour forecast model. So right now we have some mist, drizzle, and fog. By mid-morning, what's left of that line of showers will kind of start to pass through. We may have a couple of some patchy light rain moving through the Triad around mid-morning, 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock before things start to clear out. But the cold front passes through. Behind the front, we'll see clearing and sunshine this afternoon. But look at our temperatures. We're not in the 50s anymore. They actually fall this afternoon. And you combine that with the gusty winds, it's going to turn cold later this afternoon and evening. There is a bit of a breeze out there for right now, but the strongest gusts should come late morning through around mid-afternoon, just along and right behind that strong cold front. Some 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts are possible here for the Piedmont. Up in the mountains, they could have some 50 to even 60 mile per hour gusts, especially tonight through early tomorrow morning. So the mountains have a high wind warning all the way through today and lunchtime tomorrow because of those strong wind gusts that could top 60 miles per hour. Foothills have a wind advisory today through lunchtime tomorrow. Some downed trees, scattered power outages possible out west. Not quite thinking we see that many impacts here in the Triad, but it will increase our risk for fires. With the gusty winds and low humidity behind the front, any fires that start could spread really quickly in these kind of conditions. So a red flag warning in effect for the Piedmont Triad through this afternoon. No burning today. Far too windy for that. We start with a few light showers, some clouds this morning. Sunshine returns this afternoon, but remember, it gets cold and windy. Temperatures will fall through the 40s and eventually into the 30s later on this evening. Impact day for the Triad and foothills. For the mountains, it is an alert day because of that high wind warning. 40s this morning, 30s, and eventually 20s later on this evening. That cold air will continue to pour in. We'll start in the 20s Tuesday morning with wind chills in the teens. High near 40 for Tuesday, a little chilly for New Year's Eve, and then we're closer to normal for the first couple days of 2026.